Harivansh. No, Harivansh. My God.
Sir, this GST bill, which you kindly requested the finance minister, which was circulated in August, that should have come to us, sir. Now, the point I want to make, sir, and it may be so everyone is on the same page. The bill which is circulating today is not the bill which was passed by the Lok Sabha. Okay? The amendments which the Honorable Finance Minister has moved is based on that as passed in the Lok Sabha. My limited point is, the bill which we now have with us is actually the bill which is as recommended by the Select Committee. Because in clause 19, sir, we are all saying there's no dispute on the clauses. But for example, in clause 19, where the government and everybody has got an informal agreement that the states will be compensated for 5 years. No. Sir, so I just want to, no, there is a bill which is passed by Lok Sabha. There is a bill which we now have.
Let me say, actually, no, this point of order, no. See, no, Derek,
Sorry, constitutional.
Derek ji.
Okay.
Derek ji.
Just one, no, it's circulating, sir.
Derek ji, listen. First point is, actually this point of order should be raised tomorrow when the bill is taken up. Number one. But in any case, since you raised it, I would say the bill passed by Lok Sabha, if I am correct, has been sent to Select Committee, our Select Committee, and Select Committee was reported. So the bill which we are going to consider must be the bill reported by the Select Committee. That must be like that. I think so. If I am wrong, any minister can come. No, but anyhow, what that I am saying.
I'm not making issue just for the sake of making an issue. There is
so tomorrow.
No, 1 second, sir. There is a. No, let me clarify. This is a very serious. There is an amendment in clause 19 which everyone has agreed to. There's no disagreement. But the amendments which have been circulated by the finance minister does not contain that amendment. So it may be an oversight. If it is an oversight, it needs
tomorrow, I would suggest, tomorrow at the time the bill being taken up, you can raise this. Mr. Derek O'Brien, you can raise it tomorrow when we take up this bill. At that point of time, proper reply will be given to you. Now, Sri Harivansh.
Dhanyavad Upadhyaksh ji.
No, please. Don't go back. Why?
Empower committees recommendations are there. Committees recommendations are there.
No, I have already said to take it up tomorrow when the bill is.
So,
I already gave the ruling. Now there is no scope for discussion. I said this issue can be taken up when the bill is taken up tomorrow morning. Then you can, at that time you can raise.
Dhanyavad.